dear students. Welcome to new English lesson. First, let's listen to our school vision.
The school vision, to prepare creative, well-educated students who are able to establish civilized, aware, reserved society, stick to the authentic morals and values, in addition to using the modern technology.
Welcome, my dear students. Welcome to new English lesson. Our lesson today is Project Part 1. You will find this lesson in your student book, page 61, and workbook, page 51. Our objectives for today: to read and answer the question, do you like cooking? Do you like a chocolate? Which recipe we can make with the chocolate? Now look at the picture and read the title. Healthy chocolate cake. Do you like a chocolate cake? Now read the recipe and answer. What should we do first to bake the cake? How long do we bake the cake? Now, listen and answer.
Module 5, Project 1. Do you like chocolate? Read a recipe for chocolate cake.
Healthy chocolate cake. Ingredients: 3 eggs, 1 cup of yogurt, 2½ cups of flour, 2 cups of brown sugar, 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of cocoa powder. Steps: first, break the eggs into a large bowl and beat them with the mixer. Second, add the brown sugar. Next, add the butter and the yogurt. Mix very well. Then, add the flour and mix it again. Add the cocoa powder and mix all the ingredients together very well. Next, put some butter in the pan and then put the cake mix into the pan. Put the pan in the oven and bake for 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Finally, when the cake is ready, you can add some jam or fruit on top. Enjoy!
Now let's answer the previous questions. First, we have to break the eggs into a large bowl. How many minutes? Yes, we have to bake the cake for 25 minutes.
Module 5.
Now, read the questions and answer. Have you baked a cake before? Was it delicious? Have you read about a chocolate cake recipe in another book? How a recipe be written. First, think of a recipe. Number 2, ingredients. Think we need to make the recipe. Ingredients or things that we need to make a recipe. Number 3, think of recipes steps. Why do we need these words in writing a recipe, like first, next, then, after that, or after and finally? To show the sequence, we use these words to show the sequence. Now, I want you to read the recipe again and circle all verbs in the text. What kinds of verbs they are? Yeah, break, add, put, mix. Yeah, very good. They are imperative verbs. Very good, girls. Let's read the writing tip. To write a recipe, think about the steps. The first thing you have to think of the steps. Number 2, use sequence words. Use sequence words to describe the procedures, like first, second, next, then, and finally. Write each step in the order you have to do it. Number 3, use the imperative to write your instructions. So we have to use first, second, next, and put the steps in the correct order and use the imperative to write your instructions. Let's go to our workbook, page 51, activity 1. Read and write the steps in the correct order. Use first, next, then, and finally. How to make fresh lemonade. Add the lemon juice to the bottle of water. Put a bottle of water in the fridge for an hour. In a glass, mix some lemon juice with 2 spoons of sugar. Put the bottle in the fridge and leave it for 2 hours. Now, you can pause the video for a while to put the steps in the correct order. Back again, let's check our answers. 1, or first, put a bottle of water in the fridge for an hour. Next, in a glass, mix some lemon juice with 2 spoons of sugar. 3. Then add the lemon juice to the bottle of water. Finally, put the bottle in the fridge and leave it for 2 hours. Your fresh lemonade is ready. Enjoy! Now I want you to talk about the ingredients and the steps of these recipes. Sandwich. Yes, we need bread, tuna, tomato, lettuce. Yeah, it's your turn, my dear students, to talk about the ingredients and the steps of each recipe. Now I want you to tell me, what did you learn today? I hope you are enjoying the video. This is the end of our lesson today. Thank you.